Hey guys, shut the fuck up, video! Okay, anyway, guys, everyone, the crew's here. Quentin, he's not exactly introduced himself on the channel yet. Here's Zach, he's introduced himself. Here's me. Oh shit, the light's on. Ow. Oh, okay, well, we'll be right back. We're gonna do something with my dog. And this. It's a helicopter. It's remote controlled, and dogs hate things that move. It's on? Are you recording? Okay, it's on.
Yes, it's on.
Where's Buddy? Get Buddy over.
Okay, so we are going to take this helicopter, and we're going to scare the hell out of that dog.
Okay, now stay still. Stay still.
Now he's going to probably flip the fuck out. So.
He's like. Okay, now get away.
I'm not part of this. I told them not to do this.
Ah, shit.
Hey.
Quentin, don't forget to take the shots. Okay, he's behind you. Got spun, dog. Got spun. You ready to take this? Take it to the streets.
Dude, your dog looks like a demon.
Bring it, bitch. Bring it. Oh yeah. Yeah, one more time. After this, we'll stop the video and upload it to YouTube. Yeah? Alright. Shit, no, it's right out, George!
It ran out charge!
Okay.
One more time. Nope. Okay. Okay, get back, Zach, get back. Oh shit! Is it okay?
Either way, rate, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.